What's up, everybody? I'm Chef Matty B. Today we're here at Middleby in Chicago. I got Phil here. He's with Middleby Outdoor. We love Fontana ovens, but this is their new one. So tell me a little bit about it.
Sure, Matt. This is the new Firenze, which is our mid-size hybrid oven. What a hybrid oven means is it's got a gas burner in it, quick and simple. It'll get up to 800 degrees in 15-20 minutes, or for those evenings where you're socializing, you got a group of friends over, you want to make a romantic dinner for your partner, this can be a wood fire traditional oven as well.
It's the best of both worlds, right? You're not restricted to just doing pizza. Like, you can do bread in it, you can cook in cast irons in it, roast things in it.
100%. We do a ton of cast iron. We do open flame over the embers. We have a cooking grid you can put in if you want to do, say, a steak Florentine or a grilled branzino. This is a powerful unit. This is 68,000 BTUs in this particular model, and you will see the thermometer start to move almost instantaneously. There's so much power. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to get hot with the gas burner.
Also, when you're using gas, you're controlling the temperature with the knob, or are you still using the dampers with that?
We can use the dampers a little bit, but really, the reality is this is much more like an indoor oven or your stove or your grill. It is a valve system and a burner system. So we can simply turn it down to a low temperature to bring the temperature down. We can bring it up medium, high, wherever you need it for whatever type of food you're cooking.
So that's kind of perfect if you're maybe a little intimidated, or maybe you have a friend that's using it a little intimidated with using the damper and the door to control the temperature.
100%, or maybe you just don't want to play with fire. Some people, not me, but some people aren't thrilled about actually being involved with fire.
Let's say I want to switch back to wood. How would I go about that?
Good question, Matt. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the gas burner. We need to protect the gas burner from ash. Two things that come with the grill. You've got a burner cover. Now this is going to go inside here, and it's going to go right over your burner cover. Now, if you looked inside, you wouldn't even see the burner when that's installed. You wouldn't even know it was a gas oven. Then we have our portalena, which is a wood fire basket. And we're going to put that on the opposite side, and now we can have our wood fire in there. You never run both. It's not a combination, it's one or the other.
Man, this seems like an awesome appliance.
It's made in Italy by the company that invented the residential steel dome ovens that we see today. Fontana is the original, and to this date, nobody has matched the quality of the build, the quality of the materials. These are the premium made in Italy oven in the industry.
Fontana's definitely known for their premium quality. Thank you so much, Phil. Guys, come on down to TA Appliances. Check out Fontana pizza ovens if you haven't already. Learn more about them, and we'll see you guys next time.